All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using nodes, using Drip Network, get 1% back on your initial investment, 365% every single day for 1%. All kinds of good stuff. Use your credit card with BlockFi credit cards, get reward back in Bitcoin. Well, today we're going to be talking about two cryptocurrencies. One of them is up and one of them is down. Anchor Protocol is up like a tremendous amount, like 60-70% in the last 7 days. Even what's going on with the war and everything else, I mean, it's up right this second. And MOONBEAM is down like 49 or 47% right now. So this could be a ding, 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 good discount buy. But if you like buying when the coins are up, that's why I got this Anchor Protocol. That's super, super up. But if you like looking at coins when they're down, you can kind of look at that. Now, a lot of coins are down right now because of what's going on. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on the channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency and one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, let's start with the higher of the two, Anchor Protocol. Now, and right here on CoinMarketCap, Anchor is at number 83. As you can see, it's the only one that's got green for the last 7 days. It's up 71% in a week. It's up 23% today in the last 24 hours. Clicking it, trade at $3.48, up 22% today. There's some fantastic things going on with Anchor Protocol. Let's take a look in the last 7 days. 7 days ago, this coin was $2.01. Now it's at $3.48. Now over here, looking at the Anchor, if you want to know where you can buy Anchor Protocol, there's top cryptocurrency exchanges for trading Anchor Protocol. Exchanges like Binance, OKX, BingX Exchange, KuCoins. A couple places where you can get the Anchor Protocol. Over here at the white pages, I love how this says Anchor, the gold standard for passive income on the blockchain. So Anchor wants to be a passive income play. So if you're looking for passive income, Anchor Protocol could be the place to go. Over on the Twitter account here, Anchor Protocol says Anchor Protocol stripes for savings. They got 164,000 followers on Anchor. You know, here was the thing a couple days ago that Anchor Protocol broke the top 100, which was a big thing. Being in the top 100. Again, we sometimes cover coins that are at 3,000 or 2,000. So to already be in the top 100, you got to give it a hands down to Anchor Protocol. So fantastic job, Anchor Protocol. All right, so I wanted to give you one that's up around 70%. If you're more into buying the coins when they're really, really up, there's your cryptocurrency. Now, we also got MOONBEAM that's actually down 49%. Let's jump over there. All right, number 131, MOONBEAM, down 49% in the last 7 days. Exactly the opposite of the other coin that we were just talking about. Clicking the MOONBEAM. All right, in the last day, it's down 1.77%, being traded at $2.21. So taking a look in the last 7 days, yeah, not looking good. It was traded at $4.44. And now it's at $2.20. It's almost cut in half. So MOONBEAM is cut in half at the second. Over at the website, the future is the multi-chain. Now, if you're looking for a ding, ding, ding discount buy, if you like the way this sounds, you may want to put this on your radar. All right, it expands to new chains powered by MOONBEAM, an Ethereum-compatible smart contract parachain on Polkadot. The easy path to multi-chain. So take a look at the tank right here, kind of going around and around. It's got minimum configuration charges, tools that you already use, familiar smart contract languages, pre-built, a fully Ethereum-compatible environment on Polkadot. So Polkadot's involved in this. Take a look at the Ethereum going around. Solid smart contracts, published subscription capability, complete set of Web3 RPCs endpoints, H160 accounts. All right, so far so good. Grow your project with multi-chain. MOONBEAM helps projects expand their reach to new users, market with multi-chain approach. New users in new cases, rich pools of assets, and growing ecosystem. It says join the projects already built on MOONBEAM, and they give you a whole slew of them right here that you can kind of see. So now looking at these two projects so far, you got one that's down a lot, you got one that's up a lot. We're bringing both of them. Again, there's a lot of uncertainty in the marketplace right now where you got COVID going on, different strands. Now we got wars going on. Let's check that out real quick. Says Bitcoin falls 7% as Russia invades Ukraine. Experts say the Fed's U-turn on the rate hikes are mostly unlikely. Now, it's a catch-22 situation for the Feds. Says the Federal Reserve, the March rate hikes may be an extension. I don't know. But they're saying most likely they're not going to do a U-turn. This might bode the Bitcoin because the cryptocurrency has dropped 40% in the last 3 months. And the Feds are hiking the rates. So I don't know about that. Bitcoin is down 7.2% in the past 24 hours, down to 35,000 at the time of this writing. It's actually bounced back up a little bit since then. Indeed, it's turning out to be a catch-22 situation for the Feds. On one hand, the uncertainty poses a threat to financial market stability and economics. At the same time, on the other hand, it could very well add to the already elevated inflationary pressure worldwide. So you got all kinds of stuff here. Bitcoin is down 7%, and the Feds are probably not reversing their rate hikes. All right, over here at Crypto Bubbles, I wanted to show you this. Also, another thing, again, if you're looking for coins that are up or down, like I'm in the top 300, right here, GTN's up 95%. But look at all the slew of these. UFOs down 29%. You know, you could kind of just see it right here. If you go to the top 500, you know, you got the top 500, and, you know, Nest is up 58%. If you like the ones that are up, go for it. If you're looking for your discount buy right this second, RBN right here is down 42%. Even if I go over to my favorites, every single favorite is red right now. So I don't have any single thing. That's why I like the Drip Network. That's why I like my node projects. That's why I like my Drip Garden. I mean, they're still producing passive income. All these are down, down, down. All right, back over at Moonbeam here. Smart contracts powered by the Gleamer token. So you got that. The project roadmap. It tells you what's going on all the way since last January, what their whole idea is. Join the Moonbeam ecosystem, which is fantastic. Up here, you can launch the app. Sign up for project updates, which is pretty good there. You got the token, about us. So a lot of good stuff going on with Moonbeam. Again, featuring 2 tokens today. You know, Anchor Protocol being up 71%. Wanted to bring one that's up right this second. Fantastic. Even with all the things that are going on right now, Anchor Protocol up a lot right this second. Same token. Moonbeam down 49% in the same 7 days. So check that out. Drip Network, don't forget. Click right here to see our most recent video. Over here, click Drip Network if you want to learn about how to make 1% a day on your initial investment, 365%. We got a video linked over here that explains everything. Check it out. If you need a buddy link, my link will be at the bottom that you can actually get started. And every day it kicks out 1%. So node projects, again, if you believe in projects right now, this could be the ding, ding, ding discount buy you're looking for. Thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner, and we'll see you a little bit later on today.